This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. I'm going to talk to you about brake noise. What causes brake noise, what to look for, how to fix it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. If you're driving a car along and you start hearing brake noise, make sure you take it to a shop to get it checked out, or if you check it out yourself at your house. But this is one of the common causes of brake noise. This is your wear indicator right here. And what happens is, when the brake pads get worn out, that indicator starts grinding on this rotor, and then you'll hear noise. Now, this particular brake system requires a special tool. If I can get you a good picture of it. It requires a special tool to push this piston back in. It actually turns. This is what the tool looks like. Just like this. And I'll put a link in the description below where you can buy one at. Another common cause of brake noise is rust. The excessive amount of rust on your rotor and the dirt sometimes will get in between the pads and the glides right here. And it doesn't allow the pad to move in and out with the piston, and they'll start making noise. Some brake pads have metal fibers in them, so you can buy a new set of pads and the metal fibers are too close together on a pad, and a lot of times that'll cause brake noise, and sometimes that'll go all away after the pad wears a little bit. But like I say, a lot of times those metal fibers are too close together, and that'll cause brake noise on a new pad. These are called brake shims, and what they do is they keep the pad and the rotor from clanging against each other. And sometimes these rivets here get really loose, or the shim comes separated from the pad, and when that happens, it'll cause a noise, a clank, a squeak, or something. So that's something to check also. Just remember, brakes are nothing to play around with. If you're hearing brake noise, definitely take time to check it out, because the last thing you want to do is end up in a car crash and hurt yourself. Just remember, any kind of brake noise, or if your pedal feels weak or something feels out of the ordinary, either check it yourself if you're able, and if you're not, take it to a reputable shop and get it checked out. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. We'll get another video out to you soon.